So my appreciation is to the president as a man of courage who has considered me worthy to appoint me as his spokesman, special advisor on media and public communication, and will ensure that in communicating on behalf of the president to the Nigerian people, we do our best in the discharge of our...
NaijaNews, Special Advisor to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Policy Communications, on Monday announced himself as the new presidential spokesman. Addressing State House correspondents, Bwala stated that he has taken over the role of former presidential aide Ajuri Ngelale, who was the official spokesperson of Tinubu. NaijaNews reports that there had been some confusion as Onanuga, designated Special Advisor on Information and Strategy, had been the presidential spokesman since the exit of Ngelale Ajuri, who was the Special Advisor on Media and Publicity. Onanuga also moved to the office previously occupied by Ajuri at the presidential villa. But on Monday, Bwala announced himself as the presidential spokesman. He also acknowledged the role of his predecessor, Ajuri Ngelale, but said his main concern is not to define or overshadow the responsibilities of others within the administration. While addressing the State House correspondent, Bwala said, "There is no issue as to the differences in the terms of the responsibility. Everybody knows his responsibility. I only came to introduce myself to you and the role that was given to me by Mr. President. I told you that role was once occupied by Ajuri Ngelale, but for God's sake, we are all colleagues. We are not particularly bothered about who is this, who is that. We are working to achieve the mandate of Mr. President." In response to Bwala's comment through a statement on Monday night, Onanuga stated that there is no single spokesperson for President Tinubu. According to the veteran journalist, the president has appointed 3 spokespersons as against the previous arrangement where Ajuri Ngelale acted alone. Onanuga also announced a change in the job description of Bwala, announcing that he is now the Special Advisor on Policy Communications and no longer the Special Advisor on Media and Public Communications. His statement reads, "President Bola Tinubu has redesignated the position of 2 recently appointed officials in the State House Media and Communications team to enhance efficiency within the government's communication machinery. The structuring is as follows. Mr. Sunday Dari, Special Advisor on Public Communication and National Orientation, is now Special Advisor, Media and Public Communications. Mr. Daniel Bwala, announced last week as Special Advisor, Media and Public Communication, is now Special Advisor, Policy Communication. This appointment, along with the existing role of Special Advisor Information and Strategy, underscore that there is no single individual spokesperson for the presidency. Instead, all the 3 special advisors will collectively serve as spokespersons for the government. This approach aims to ensure effective and consistent communication of government policies, decisions, and engagements. NaijaNews reports that Tinubu is believed to have the biggest media team in the nation's history, with over a dozen political appointees outside of the civil servants. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.